Were you eating it? Because it's all over your face.
Yeah. Was it?
Yeah, it's over your lips.
Good day, Wisconsin. I'm just joking. We are back in Oconto in the Oconto River, and I've been in here for 5 seconds, and I found 3 cans and an apple juicy box.
Oh,
Stay
nice.
tuned.
Let's get it. Bag with money. I think this is a spittoon. Some kind of porcelain spittoon or something like that. Huh.
Come on, ride the train and ride it.
A toilet lid car. That's super cool. An old tractor. Tractor? Where's a dead walleye? A horseshoe. See if she sees that. A blue jar, a couple other jars. Second wheel. Something beverages. What is this, an old radio? I think so. Gorilla, look at that. Oh, it's a toilet. There we go. Okay, we got an actual toilet this time.
Pot, and I found a car.
That's a cool car.
It's only missing 1 wheel.
McDonald's.
By the way, there's nobody else's toilet. I'd rather sit on underwater than yours.
Oh. Look!
Oh, skateboard!
Oh, sweet! That is cool. I don't know what that is, but...
Oh, but I don't know what this is.
Oh, a jar.
Oh, no, it's my pot. Oh, it's my anchor.
Here,
Duh.
here.
I just had to tell you about the skateboard because you used to skateboard.
Good job, hon.
How cool is that?
I just found this pot. Whoa! That is so cool. That's a really cool bowl.
It's sweet.
Whoa! Whoa, it's got actual bulbs in it. Look at a roller there. That? No way! I found one of the cars with the remote control thing. It's like a drag racer car. Oh, it's a chuck it ball.
Yeah.
You chuck it, catch. That would hurt. That's a cool motorcycle. Wow. Nice find there.
You want to go for a ride?
Yeah. Wow.
My first scooter and my first skateboard, all in one dive.
Were you eating it? Because it's all over your face.
Yeah. Was it?
Yeah, it's over your lips.
You like that?
I do.
Oh, kissing?
Not at the moment.
So you put the scooter in?
Yeah. Just clean her up and you're good to go. Nope.
Do you see any fish?
Oh, a lot of fish. Hey! Not at the moment. Thank you though. We can get out? Awesome. Well, thank you.
I just lost a $400 monkey rod out on the lake.
Oh boy. Kayak full. Christie's got another kayak over there. We can get all this stuff laid out and show you what we got. Got a lot of cool stuff after 3 hours of diving. Check it out. Christy, what are you doing?
I told Ed I had to go potty. He's like, I got you under the water. We got a toilet in the Oconto River.
Nice. And we got the lid for the toilet also.
Oh, yeah, there's no name on it, but we don't get recovery calls for these.
No. Found a lot of stuff today. Found this really cool porcelain piece right here. No handles, but it's intact. Maybe a spitter or something right there.
Ed's past lifetime, a skateboard. That was my first one I ever found fully intact. Along with my first scooter.
Now you got a nice scooter. Got a couple shoes today. Really neat car right here with one of these remotes. Tractor. If this was a truck fully intact but it fell apart. Got a money bag that had $1.25 in quarters in it. Someone's shorts, an old radio. Christy and I both found our own scissors.
I found the green ones, Ed found the red ones. It was like Christmas divers met each other.
Couple lures right there. You can find a cool car there.
A very cool car. Is that Lightning McQueen? I should probably know. It says 94 and something McDonald's.
You also found that part of a motorcycle.
Yep.
Some balls over there.
We have never found one of these before.
A North Star Junior.
Yeah, and he is just a little guy.
This is a really neat one, not sure what it is. Arbutus from Oconto, Wisconsin. A RAR from Green Bay. Little blue jar here, some white ones. This one says something, not sure. Just says beverages on there.
Mary Poppins, diver style.
Also found a weird machine right there, not sure what that is. Couple tires, 2 rods right here, a few cans right here.
The universe is trying to tell me to cook more for Ed.
She can cook. Some jars and bigger bottles up there.
Pa Ingalls from Little House on the Prairie's boot.
Fishing rod holder right here. Not sure what this is, but it looks kind of neat. Bunch of random metal back there. Got a couple wheels right there.
We did not find any undies for the first time, but these will do. They'll wash up nice. Wrap them up for Ed for Christmas.
This is super cool right here. They're broken, but this one says, I think, DLO and Sons, 1873. Look at that. That'd been cool to find that fully intact.
And it's never a dive in the Oconto River until you find a horseshoe. And Ed found it today.
And you found a skate, another ice skate right there.
This is the 3rd ice skate in 1 week. The last 2 are in Michigan. The universe is again telling us, go ice skating, divers.
It was a really great dive. We want to thank the Brothers 3 in Oconto for allowing us to come and lay all this stuff on their lawn here so we can get out of the river. We just got to pack it up and get rid of it.
Great dive and lots of bass. How do you know 2 dirty divers were in your city cleaning up? Look at the trail.
Yep. Sometimes you got to walk back to the truck, but that's okay.
Ow! I just hit my paw on that.
We never know what we're going to find in the Oconto River, but it's always great to go back to Oconto to see the smiling faces. Thanks for your support and help keeping it clean.